Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow in-app purchases on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. Then we scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Next, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. In here, tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Now put in the screen time passcode. And then tap on in-app purchases. From the list here, select either allow or don't allow. And then tap on the back key to go back to settings. And then swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.